Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the problem from your accountancy second year. You will find this question on page number 244. Page 244, solution number 8. Working notes. Ganga and Yamuna are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2 respectively. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2020 was as follows. Liability side detail has been given you like this. Trade creditors, bills payable, outstanding rent, general reserve and capital accounts of both the partners. Asset side, cash, debtor, stock, furniture, land and building. On the above date, they decided to admit Saraswati for 2/9 share in profit of the business. The condition of the admissions are Saraswati bought 50,000 as capital and 20,000 as goodwill. Land and building are to be appreciated by 20%, whereas the furniture to be depreciated 5% and stock by 10% respectively. There is an unrecorded investment at rupees 3,000 to be bought into books. So asset is increases here, 3,000 rupees investment we need to record. So goodwill will be retained in the business in the new profit sharing ratio of Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati 4:3:2. So in this problem there are two ratios has been given. At the starting you can say old ratio is given like 3:2 and new ratio is given here. New ratio is 4:3:2. So how you are going to distribute with these two ratios? When the two ratios is given like this, old ratio is 3:2 and new ratio is 4:3:2, then you need to find sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio formula is nothing but sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio minus new ratios. Then what is the old ratio? Old ratio here 3:2 in the sense 3/5 of Ganga. Ganga 3/5 old ratio. Ganga's new ratio is nothing but minus. What about this? 4:3:2. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 2 9. 4/9. So Ganga new ratio is 4/9. Old ratio 3 plus 2 3/5. 2/5. Ganga, Yamuna. New ratio 4:3:2. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 2 9. 4/9. 3/9. 2/9. Ganga new ratio is nothing but 4/9. Then how you are going to simplify means, look at here. 5 9s are 45. Now go for multiplication here. 3 9s are 27 minus 5 4s are 20. Cross multiplication. 3 9s are 27, 5 4s or you can say 4 5s are. So 27 minus 20 is nothing but 7 divided by 45. This is the sacrificing ratio of Ganga. Yamuna. Yamuna old ratio 2/5. Yamuna new ratio 3/9, which is nothing but here sacrificing ratio. Again 5 9s are 45. Now 2 9s are 18 minus 5 3s are 15. So 18 minus 15, 3/45. This is the sacrificing ratio of Yamuna. Take the numerator 7 and 3. So Ganga is to Yamuna is nothing but 7:3. 7:3 is the sacrificing ratio of Ganga and Yamuna. 7:3. So which is nothing but 7/10:3/10. On the basis of this sacrificing ratio, goodwill is going to be distributed. Goodwill is distributed on sacrificing ratio. Goodwill is distributed on sacrificing ratio, which means how much is the goodwill here? 20,000 into 7/10 and 20,000 into 3/10. Goodwill is distributed on 7/10 and 3/10 to Ganga and Yamuna. Rest of the problem will be same. One more adjustment is given here, that is there is an unrecorded investment valued rupees 3,000 bought into books. So write on the asset side investment 3,000. Asset side investment 3,000, increase in asset revaluation account credit side. So the adjustment here, unrecorded investment you need to record now. On asset side investment 3,000 rupees, revaluation account credit side investment, by investment you write revaluation account credit side 3,000 rupees. Rest of the problem will be same as it is what we have done in the previous classes. Hope you understood the working notes of this. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.